friends, so today for reading, we're going to be reading a story called Sam Can See. And if you can, I would like you to put your finger right up to the screen of your computer or tablet and follow along with me, because we're going to be reading sight words and sounding out some words. So the title is here. This is Sam can see. So we were able to sound out this word Sam by saying the sounds of the letters S, A, M, Sam. And then these are the two words we know. These are our sight words. Can see. Okay, and we're looking for sight words that we know and sounding out words. We can see Sam. Sam. We can see Sam. Look, I see some sight words again. I see we, and the, and can, and see. Oh, and this is a bird. We can see the bird. Good. Oh, let's sound out the word. Let's say the sounds. S, A, M. Sam can see the bird. Sam can see the bird. Good job. I'm going to blend the sounds together to read that word. Sam can see the bird. The bird can see Sam. The end. All right, good job reading today, friends.